Hey Ruben, my name is Lee Turbienik, and as you know, I was checking out your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and decide you want to drop that company of yours, just kidding, you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you in the video and you can try putting them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this video at the end. So let's jump right in. 3 things I want to touch base on today and that are major factors in your ranking are content, citations, and backlinks. So now when I say content, that's basically anything that you can see on the front page that is written, including what your pictures are and what they're saved as. But I'm not really seeing too much content, so like I said, Google likes to typically see around 1,500 words, and you got to think, Google is a bot. All it can do is read. So if you don't have the right content on your homepage and enough of it that it can figure out what you're trying to offer, then you're going to lose ranking positions due to it. So like I said, you have maybe 200 words on your homepage max. So I just did a quick search and it was for plumber, Ontario, California, and we go down to the organic section. You can see Mike Diamond Services, his Ontario page is ranking #1, and you guys aren't. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. And as you can see, he does have some content, but not much. So if we were to go out and get 1,500 words of content for your homepage, we would easily be beating him in that aspect. And I say 1,500 words because we need to put these special keywords in. And I'm going to show you here. You have 2 organic keywords that you're ranking for. He has 22 keywords, and that's just for plumber search only. Now let's go into his keywords. As you can see, plumber Ontario, California is being searched 250 times, and it's got a keyword difficulty of 1. 0 meaning there's nobody trying to rank for it, and 100 would be the hardest to rank for. That means there's tons of people trying to rank for it. But as you can see, a 1. Plumbing Ontario, 300 searches in 1 KD. Plumber Ontario, 50 in 1. Ontario plumber, 40 in 1. Ontario plumbers, 40 in 1. Now this is a monthly search volume, so that means 250 people a month are typing looking for a plumber in Ontario, California, and no one's trying to rank for it. But as you see, the list is endless for Ontario plumbing, and you only have 2 of those on your page that's being crawled. Plumbing Ontario and Plumber Ontario, California. That's it. It's free to put these throughout your content. It's just you have no content, so you can't fit them in there. You need to space out your keywords, 1 per every 100 words, so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. But now let's go back to this main page on Google. I'm going to break it down for you. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are all paying to be here. It can get very costly if you don't run them effectively, but it's unnecessary if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, this Google Map Pack section and this organic section. So let's talk about this Google Map Pack section. As you can see, All Pro Plumbing, Heating and Air and Electrical is in first place for my Plumber Ontario, California search. You are not in this top 3. But what will get you there is citations. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one. So as you can see, All Pro Heating, Air, and Electrical is in first place. So I have this tool that I use. It's called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder, and I put All Pro Plumbing's info in here, and it's showing me has 57 citations to take the lead. Best part about this is we can go into his citations, and all these red dots are submittable. That means we can submit for your business to get all the same ones he has, but then I want to go add 100 or 200 more for your business. Swamp out these guys by a landslide, and then you get up in this top 3, and then also that's your name, address, and phone number in more directories for people to find you easier when they're looking for a plumber or anything that you offer. So like I said, but these citations, they're not created equally. As you can see, this DA, that's the domain authority. That's how powerful they are, 96, 93, and it goes down the weaker that they get. So you don't want spammy ones, you want powerful citations, and that's going to build up your ranking fast in this. But now that was citations. Now let's touch base on this 3rd section and what's probably the most important. This has to deal directly with your website, and as you can see, Mike Diamond Services is coming up first place when I type Plumber Ontario. So let's go back to that tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and this is going to show me a basic overview of his site versus your site. So as you see, I got yours in here, Empire Plumber. You have a 15 and a 23. Now this UR is your overall page strength and the trust flow to it, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. You have 14 websites giving you 16 backlinks at the moment. Now these do follow links are the ones that transfer power, and you have 11 of them, but you're only ranking for 2 keywords. That's because you have no content with no keywords that we went over, and that's affecting you. When someone types that stuff in, how would they ever get pulled to you if you don't have that information on your website? So if we go over here to Mike Diamond Services, he has a 9 and a 40. Now he is a franchise business, I think, so this is just his Ontario location page. As you can see, Ontario locations, but he's getting 100 traffic from this. But if we were to just go to the root domain name, MikeDiamondServices.com, this is going to lay out his real stats of his site and show us he's ranking for that many keywords, almost pulling $400,000 a month in value. But what I want to focus on is his referring domains. So we can go in just like those citations. We pull up his referring domains. We want the do follow links because they transfer power, and all of them are right here laid out for me to go and get for your business. We know it's working for him, it'll work for you, and you're gonna watch those 2 numbers, boom boom, go skyrocket when we start adding them. But like I said, here's a quick overview of a site that I built, and it's for a guy out in South Carolina, Pressure Wash King. Quick menu, nice, new, they can pay right online, but this is the content I'm talking about. Content here, content, content, content with the keywords going throughout it. Pressure washing Somerville SC, cleaning services Charleston SC, Charleston pressure washing Charleston SC, power washing Charleston. So now whenever somebody types power washing Charleston SC that's in that area, if his site is powered with backlinks, he will rank there. But like I said, the backlinks are what rank you. And of course, in case I didn't say what they were, a backlink is when one website links back to another website using a hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them. It's like blue writing. You click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those, and they count as votes for your website. The more of them you have, the better. But like I said, they're not all created equal. So you want the powerful ones. But as you can see, your stats here, it looks like you're going down. I don't know how long you've been with this company, but you are going down. You were going up in August, but now you're drastically dropping from September to October. So I'd love to help you out with this, Ruben, and I really hope you decide to switch with me, man, because I'm going to show a drastic change in your whole website. We can keep this layout. We'll add content with your keywords, and we can start adding tons of those backlinks, but you got to do it strategic and get your site looking nice. Exactly what you deserve, man. You sound like a great guy, and I appreciate the time, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and any feedback is greatly appreciated. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.